How to fix iPhone hotspot not working on Android. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue where your iPhone hotspot isn't working on your Android device. Make sure to watch till the end and let's get into it. First, open up the Settings app. Scroll down and tap on Personal Hotspot. Now, one of the most important things here is to make sure Maximize Compatibility is switched on. If it's not, go ahead and turn it on right now. Next, toggle off, allow others to join, and then turn it back on. Leave your iPhone on this screen. It helps keep the hotspot active and discoverable. Now jump over to your Android device. Open the settings. Turn off the Wi-Fi for a few seconds, then turn it back on. Give it a moment, and hopefully you'll now see your iPhone's hotspot appear in the list. Tap on the network name and enter the password, which you'll find back on your iPhone's hotspot screen. Once that's done, your Android should connect. If you're still having issues, I recommend restarting both your iPhone and Android device. That usually refreshes everything and clears out any glitches. And that's it. Hopefully you're now connected. If this helped you out, please give the video a like and consider subscribing for more tips. Thanks for watching.